Hi friends, I have something really exciting to share with you today. I have the new winter bundle from Erin Condren. Welcome back to my channel. I am Natalie of Coquette Natalie, and thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to share with you what's inside the new Erin Condren Winter Bundle that's come out. Right now, it's the Rose Gold Black Friday sale. It's a little bit early for EC Insiders who are Rose Gold status members, and you'll get 35% off your order. It doesn't count for this bundle, but I just wanted to let you guys know the Black Friday for EC Insiders actually starts on November 18th. So if you haven't signed up yet, feel free to use my link. It's in the description. You'll actually get $10 off your first order. So sign up for that and you can get 35% off the Black Friday sale, because usually for Black Friday, it's only 30%. So if you want to shop early, definitely sign up to be an EC Insider. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. I'm excited to check out what Erin Condren has for the winter bundle. I really like this green box and this green tissue paper. Let's open it up. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's take a look. I'll take everything out first. Okay, so this winter bundle comes with two different kinds of covers. I have the Winter Vibes cover, and I just love all the photography. It also comes in a different cover that has snowflakes, which is called Glimmering Snowfall. I'll put a picture up for you guys to see, but I actually really love their covers right now. Look how pretty it is. And mine has like a purple tone, and I don't know if that was chosen on purpose because they did choose for me the glitter highlighter. You can also choose between the glitter highlighter or I think there's like a fine tip pen in like a blue color. So you can choose your writing tool from there. I'll enclose a photo of that as well. But look how pretty this cover is with the photo. It makes me just want to be cozy. Actually, the cover on the site is more a cream color, so I'm not sure if this was just specially done for us as affiliates for this review. And there's like some little details here in the back as well. So we're going to go through and flip through this. I actually really love it. It's so, just makes me want to be cozy and journal and plan in my planner. It also comes with this gradient kind of colored sticky note, which has a checklist here that says important, which is very handy as we come up towards the holiday season and you need to get your, important things together. You can stick this in your planner, in this notebook planner, or in your life planner as well. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Let's flip through this. Okay, so this, I'm excited to open up. I love the A5 size. Erin Condren does such a great job with the A5 things. And this is a little plastic. This is the A5 weekly planner. And you can flip through this and oh my goodness, this looks really, really nice. This layout reminds me of, actually they came out with one last year for the winter bundle and I have it here, but it looks just like how it was last year. And you have your weekly plans here with, checklists as here as well. And I like that there's enough room to write your appointments. You have an open space here. And then this can be like your weekly to-do list. Kind of reminds me of the dashboard layout in a way, except this follows that sort of A5 weekly planning that we used to get you still get it in the Daily Duo. And then you have 2 line pages here in between. Oh, actually 4. That's actually really nice. So this is like a nice little like weekly planner / notebook. So you actually have a lot of room here to write in here. And then you can continue on. The color palette's really nice. Oh, the first one seemed to have, did it have more? No, it's the same. There's 4 pages. So the planner actually changes color and goes between these sort of pastel colors here. I think the next one must be purple or something. No, it's a darker blue. And then purple here. So yes, it's really, really nice. Okay, so the good news is this whole thing is undated. I'm not sure how many weeks you get in here. Oh, you do. You get 6 months. So you can actually plan on this for 6 months, which is actually pretty handy. You can write the date up here or use stickers. There is no monthly view though. It's just weekly planning. So That's really nice. And then you get one sheet. Oh no, there's a few sheets of stickers. These look like the old, was this Inspire pattern by Etta V? So you have these stickers in the back, and there's no pocket, and that's it. But it's very handy. It's very light. I'm going to show you what it was last year. Last year, it was this one. And, showing you how you could write on the side here with your recipes and whatnot. And then, inside you can do meal planning, gift ideas, to-do list for the week. I actually might want to let me figure it out, but I wouldn't be a bad idea to just consolidate for the next 2 months and just go in here. This is actually very, very handy. Okay, so let's check out the sticky note. It's nice. It actually sticks at the bottom because then you have this as a nice tab here. So I'm going to try and rip this off carefully so it doesn't curl. And you can just stick that right there. And you can write down things like, let's call this Thanksgiving prep. And you can start prepping all your things like meal plan for the week. Groceries. I need to get the drinks. Other things like that. So that can just start your meal plan for the week. I don't know. I like this. I like this sticky note a lot. This kind of like ombre color thing is really nice, and it's just enough. It's not too much. You can actually probably stick a few sheets. I would just stick a few sheets on the cover. Then you always have it handy for you. Then I wanted to try this highlighter. I'm glad I got the highlighter. It came with a little paper that says glitter highlighter instructions. With the cap on, hold marker tip downward and gently shake several times to mix ink before each use. For first use, press the tip down on paper repeatedly until ink begins to flow. Recap immediately after each use. Okay, let's try it on my notepad. Okay, so it needs to flow through here. It's not that smooth to write with, but I actually really like the color. So nice purple. I don't see the glittery too much. Let's try it. It's been a rainy day here, so it's very subtle, the sparkle. I like it. I like it a lot. It's really nice. Okay, so that's the glitter highlighter, or you can choose the other blue pen. But this is really nice weekly planner. Great for the holidays, or, I know that a lot of people were kind of annoyed that there was no weekly planner in the A5 size. So this could set you up for the next 6 months. If you wanted to, start this, you could start this now in November, or wait until December or January and just use this all the way. You have enough for 6 months in here, which is pretty cool. If you wanted to do the whole year, you could get 2 of these. So 2 sets of these and get the different covers too. And then the cool thing is, because these are Erin Condren interchangeable covers, you can just get new seasonal A5 covers and just snap them in. So these are the snap in covers. They're really handy, but I love this entire look. Is just so gorgeous. And then you can get it personalized at the bottom here too. Okay, so the Winter Vibes A5 Weekly Planning Notebook Bundle is just $16. Regular price would be $23.50. So with a bundle, it's only $16. These aren't on sale. I mean, it's such a great price. And I think they did sell out last year. So I would snatch these up, because if you are an A5 planner, this is really good. This is like an A5 planning / notebook. And I think it's pretty handy. I might use it in December and see how it goes. But I think it's really nice that you have everything right here. So check it out, and it's on the site. And if you're an EC Rose Gold member, you have time to shop early for Black Friday. If you are an EC Insider, you'll be able to shop on the 18th. And the Black Friday sale for everyone else starts on November 24th. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you like planner content, stationery, stickers, and more, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you be a part of my YouTube community, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.